How to draw a figure 8 bear. To begin drawing our bear, we're going to make a big figure 8 in the middle of our page. Next, we're going to draw the head. We're going to start on the right side in the middle of the figure 8 where it crosses and draw a big circle going all the way over to the left side of the figure 8. Great job, Learn How to Draw Hub crew. Now we're going to make our bear's body. We're going to start on the left side by the face and we're going to draw a diagonal line going outwards and curve it back towards the middle. This will be the left arm. Now we're going to do the same thing for the right side and make the right arm. If you need a second to catch up, feel free to pause the video at any time. Now we're going to start at the left arm and we're going to draw a straight line going down that curves up towards the middle. This will be the left leg. And now we'll do the same thing for the right leg. Great job, everyone! Stick around till the end so we can color in our bears together. Inside of the top of the figure 8 we drew, we're going to draw a small triangle-like shape towards the top. We're going to color this in black. That will be the nose. Then we're going to draw a small straight line going downwards and a curved line at the end for a smile. Wow, everyone's drawing really great. Now we're going to draw 2 circles on the head for the eyes. We're going to color our eyes in black. Now for the last step, we're going to draw 2 half circles. These will be for the bear's ears. There'll be one on the left side and one on the right side. This is how to draw a figure 8 bear. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you like step-by-step drawing tutorials like this one, make sure to subscribe. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Now let's go color in our drawings together.
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.